Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and we're gonna get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. I hope you got yourself a nice cup of coffee. We're gonna be going over MELD, and of course, it's a 100x crypto pick. We're gonna get loose, baby. So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a moose. If you guys do get something out of this, smash a like button, subscribe. Also, check out the link tree. I've been updating that like a madman. Or I guess like a mad moose. So let's dive into it. Right now, we are August 12th of 2024. Market is kind of at a lull, right? So we've kind of gone up, gone down. It's been all over the place, but we're starting to experience some volatility. And the reason I bring that up is because MELD, if we take a look at the token price, it's such a good buying opportunity in my eyes. Okay? In my eyes, that's what I see. Look, we've been down for a long time. By the way, this was right after the ISPO. So the token has been a penny for the longest time. And the fact that it's still a penny, this is your opportunity. It's another opportunity for the Moose to get in a little bit. But of course, we got Rare Evo coming up. So the Moose is going broke just flying out to Vegas. So, just the way it is. But in the meantime, the reason I like MELD is because this is integrating fiat and crypto together, right? It's the DeFi lending and borrowing protocol, supporting the top 6 blockchains in the world. So even if you take a look here, Hong Kong dollar on MELD, this is true. We're going to head over to the Twitter now. Let's get into some of the latest news. Okay. So Hong Kong dollar on MELD. So in the upcoming launch of MELD Mobile, the Hong Kong dollar, right, HKD, so I'm not too familiar with it, will be available for on-off ramping, sending, receiving in your MELD fiat account. So if you don't know, this was announced a little while ago, but MELD acquired Bybit. So that's pretty big news, right? So they basically bought a bank, and they're going to be able to, integrate the fiat with the crypto. So you also have the MELD bridge is live. Bridging MELD tokens to MELD blockchain is now easier and faster, cheaper, powered by Akamon. So bridge.meld.com. So really cool. There's even more info. There should be. So there you go. You got your bridgeable assets. We talk about this quite a bit, stuff like this. So MELD to ADA. You got ETH to MELD. Then you have AVAX MELD. So you have the bank managers. Maybe we'll be doing a tutorial on that once I get a little more familiar, etc. So this is what's going on. And by the way, this is the website. It is meld.com. Okay, so if we take a look at the roadmap, and by the way, this is what it looks like. We'll take a little peek again. All right. But ultimately, the prices are just down a lot right now. But look at what they've achieved recently. Right? You take a look at 2023. Look at what they've already done in 2024. People are like, oh, it's a scam. It's no good. It's like, dude, you have to give these projects, like, we don't know if they're going to work, right? But you have to give it the benefit of the doubt, right? Act as though, what is that saying? Call forth those things that be not as though they were. Like, you have to believe that it's possible, right? And if it's not, then just set that project aside. But if there's a huge upside and very little downside, why not get in on some of that? So that's what the Moose sees. So a lot going on here with the MELD app. We're going to launch this. So might as well launch this. So you're going to see this page. If you guys have not already, I have tutorials on how to set up wallets. You guys can do that so easily. So go to the channel, type in MELD wallet tutorial, something like that. There you go. How to set up a MELD app beta wallet. That's your video. How to buy MELD. I mean, I don't know what the Moose is doing there, but, it's just the way it is. So definitely do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to put in our passcode here, and we're going to sign in to MELD. So this is their app, their desktop app. And basically, you're going to have your non-custodial wallet when you set one up. So you're going to be given a 12 to 24 word recovery seed phrase. So write that down. In case your laptop ever breaks, computer, whatever it may be, you just replug in your words. You can connect your MetaMask, whatever it may be. So here's the staking. Diga 1 stake pool. I don't even know if these rewards are still accumulating. What's going on with that at the moment? But you have your stakeable assets, your wallet. So the idea of MELD is it is your banking for crypto. So instead of having to use a traditional bank, you go through MELD. You have very little fees. You own your assets. You can lend and borrow against your assets. So you basically become your own bank. And, that's decentralization. That's true DeFi in my eyes, right? So again, taking a look at what they built, and it's still going, it's flowing, it's getting the moose loose, baby. 40 mil market cap. Comment down below. What price is MELD going to? What price? I think it's going to hit $1. We're at a penny. Why not? It's very possible. Like a project like this, yeah, if it goes to $1 billion in market cap, that's high. That's sweet. Like maybe take some profits along the way. But at the end of the day, like you mean to tell me this thing can't get to a 30, 40 billion market cap when everything's integrated? It's super possible. So, I mean, let's say we're at 50 mil market. So 20x would be 1 bill plus 4. So like you're looking at like an 80x just to get to like 4 bill in market cap, I believe. This thing is wild. Only now is the token as readily available as it is. Only now do you have the acquisition of the bank, right? So let's get into some of that news again. So these are the currencies. Okay, so MELD will support 18 additional fiat currencies. I believe I saw CAD in here. Is that Japanese? Something like that. Where's the Canadian one? I thought they support CAD. There you go. CAD. So that's cool. Big for me, right? So in Canada, I'd like to be able to use this. United States dollar. So there you go. Upcoming MELD mobile. In the upcoming launch of MELD mobile app. So we'll be doing a lot more videos. But the big one was the acquisition of, I thought it was BitPay or Bit2Pay. Yeah, Bit2Pay. There we go. So this is, in my opinion, the coolest thing. So not only is a Canadian bank, cool, because the Moose, Canadian, but this is a big deal, right? So it acquired 100% of this, and now we're going to see that integration of fiat. So I just think that's a monster deal. I think with the token being this low, we're expecting a major bull run. Okay, a lot going on. Again, you got to take a look at Bitcoin for this. Man, this is looking good. You're starting to, the Moose is sensing volatility in a positive fashion, opportunistic fashion. Okay. If we break above, if we get back to 70K and we start going, it's going to be insane. I don't think people understand, like, we're probably going to go to 200,000 now, minimum. So that's where I'm at. That's where the Moose is at. Guys, check out the link tree. I've got links down in the description below. Use the MELD NFT link here. You can pick up a bank manager. Okay. So this is something that you guys can get in on. Also, use code MOOSE for your Tangem, right? So use code MOOSE, save 10% off. You guys can pick up a Tangem set for $50. So the Moose is helping you out. That's all we got for you. Comment down below. What price is MELD going to? The Moose thinks $1. That's probably more like down the road. I'm thinking like, how you hit the bull market? I think we're going to hit like 60 cents, like something crazy. That's like 50, 60x. So that's what I think. We'll see you in the next one, guys.